What's up guys, this is me Dsouza, and today I have an interesting product with me to unbox. This is the Intex Fitrist 1.0. So let us unbox it and see the box content. So before we get started, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you get notification of all my future videos. Now that you have done that, let's get started. So guys, this is the Intex Fitrist box. Here it contains the image of the Fitrist. Then we have some barcodes at the side, the manufacturing data, and on the back we have some of its features like incoming call alert, message alert, water resistant, sleep monitoring, distance, anti-lost, calorie burn, and step counts. And then we have it is compatible with Android 4.4, that is KitKat, to Android 6.0, that is Marshmallow. But I have Android 7.0, that is Nugget, and it works fine with it, so no need of taking any tension. Then we have iOS 7.0 to iOS 9.2, which is mentioned here, but it works fine with iOS 11 too. So let us go forward and unbox this Intex Fitrist. So let us break the seal. So as we open the box, on top we get the Intex Fitrist band. So let us keep this aside. Then we get a user manual about the first boot and stuff. Then we get the quick start guide again, and we get the warranty card. Here in this pouch we get the charging cable, which is USB, but we don't get any power adapter to charge it, so I'll be using my phone power adapter, that is this one. This is a turbo charger. So these are all the box contents. So let's keep this aside. And now let us unbox the Fitrist. So this is the Fitrist. So this is the Fitrist. It's nice and slim, and it will work fit on any hand. So let me try it. And there you go. It works perfect. So for first boot, we have to recharge it. So let us head over to the charging socket and just plug in it. So let us connect the Fitrist to the socket. And just switch it on. And there you go, it shows the charging. And let's wait till it is charged. It probably charges in 2 hours. So there you go, I've just finished charging the Fitrist, and as you can see, it has turned on. Here it shows you the time, the date, the steps I've walked, the distance covered, the calories burned, and you can even click pics, listen to music, all controlled from your phone. So guys, if you like this video, just leave down a like, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for some amazing cool stuff. Till then, this is me signing off, and I will see you in the next one.